All right, ta-da! It's not in, but I've done a lot of test fitting, and the uh, the templates shift a little bit, but I think I'm realizing the amount of shifting and where I'm going to be punching holes. There's a little wiggle room, because what I'm not realizing is that there, even though this is carbon fiber, there's still a little bit of flexibility in the spoiler itself. So even if I'm not laser perfect on installing this, I feel more confident now that I can get it all said and done. Just to give a little idea, the design, not really seeing the carbon because it's dark, but yeah, just a sneak peek, and I'll take a lot of pictures and videos later when it's all done.